back to my channel. Today is Pride Day at work, so that's why I look like this. I had some free time after finishing this look, so I figured let's go ahead and film a video. So we are going to go ahead and film this month's BoxyLUXE, which is the pricier version of BOXYCHARM. Every 3 months you can get a BoxyLUXE. If you're a BoxyCharm member, you can subscribe for that, and it costs an extra $28.99 a month to make your total about $50 a month plus tax. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. It's supposed to have more products in it each month, like in the BoxyLUXE, than the regular box. The original is $21, so we are going to see about that. The first product in here is a hair dryer. I got to pick this, I think, over something else. I don't remember what it was, but I was like, you know, let's just go ahead. I don't own a hair dryer. I never blow dry my hair. My sister has one though. It comes with some pieces in a bag. It's from PYT, which is a pretty young thing, and it says it's a mini turbo on-the-go dryer. Gives you some instructions, and then the two extensions, because it is really small. Like, this is my base. This is a diffuser, I do know that, and I don't know what this is for. It looks like a vacuum piece, so maybe I could try that at some point. I never do that to my hair though, so I don't know. And then let's get the card out. Okay, so find it on here. It retails for $85. That's expensive for that small blow dryer. What? It says your new PYT mini turbo on-the-go dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away. Okay, and $85 just seems like a lot for a hair dryer, especially a mini one like this. What do I know? Next, so that's already more than the price of the box. So we're just gonna keep on going. I'm just gonna pull random things out. This says Tray Steak, and this is not for sale. Interesting. It's a Good Vibes mascara. Oh, it's a mascara. Why did I think this was an eye cream? Let's see. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lifting, and volumizing fun with your new Tray Steak Good Vibes mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind, and it reaches for $25. How to use: pull off clear cap to access half curler. Press down a long lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Move across lashes to get desired curl. Top off with volumizing mascara. Apply as desired. Huh. It's supposed to improve your lashes up to 186%. Oh, I can't pull it off because there's this sticker. Alright. Put the thing on the back. Oh, I forgot to say that this month's theme is Getaway. Interesting. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Look. That's scary. Look at how you curl it. Oh, no. I will not be using this. Like, first of all, this is really narrow. Like, that can't go around all your lashes, so it's going to smush some of them and separate it. No, ma'am. We will not be using this. And this is scary. I'll stick with my regular lash curler. And let's see, how do we get the mascara out? Do I have to, boom. Oh, boy. It looks okay. It looks like that Tarte mascara, the Lights Camera Lashes one. I don't know about all that. Anyways. $25. Next. The next thing is this Biotic Balance Complex Clean Biotic. Oh, it's from Dr. Brandt. It's a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. Interesting. It's just a cleanser. Let's read about it. It doesn't say anything. I want to smell it. I can't smell anything right now. Anyways, let's see here. Dr. Brandt, the cleanser, powered by Biotic Balancing Complex, the prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. They have a misspelling. Let the plants do the dirty work, and it retails for $35. I've seen this before at work, I think. It'll be interesting to try though, because I'm almost done for the cleanser. I just changed cleansers. So we'll see. Next thing is something I'm kind of excited for. It's dented though. It's the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It says instant lasting volume and texture, styling and finishing spray. My hair is still damp from a shower, so I'm not going to put this in there right now. I don't like putting like sprays like this in wet hair because I don't think you get the full effect. So let's see here. But I will definitely use this because my hair, like the top part gets flat because it's kind of heavier. It says, make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. The styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone-free, and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. Retails for $29. I know there was more options than this one, so let's see if we can see what the other ones are. BoxyLUXE, June 2019. Spoilers. So I could have gotten this or the thickening cream, so I'm glad I got this one. Yeah, and you got the blow dryer. I definitely am pretty sure that I picked purple as the last option and still got that because like we had to pick a color and I really wish I would have gotten like coral. Let's move on though, and then I'll talk about more of the option-y items. So next is this. It's Dominique Cosmetics, which is a brand that we sell at Sephora. We also sell this and the Clean Biotic. I don't think we sell Tristique, and we don't sell PYT, at least not in store. And this is a lemonade gloss in the shade Peach Tea. It says, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with a lightweight, non-sticky balm-like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick, and it retails for $17. Let's try her on. I like this color. The other option for this was like a coral color, or no, maybe it was a pink color. I don't know. Let's see. It gives a little bit of color, but nothing crazy. It's comfortable. It's not too sticky. It has like a slight stickiness to it, but it's comfortable. So I'm not complaining. I want to see what the other color option was. It doesn't say. I don't know. Next though is, ooh, what is this? I didn't even realize this was in there. I just couldn't see it over the edge of the box. This says Skin & Co., which is company, Truffle Therapy Aqua Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist for Radiant Dew. Interesting. It has a lot of oils in it, which is exciting. Let's see here. Okay. It's Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice, enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and damascena rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. And it retails for $35. I look, you want to spread this on my face, but I know I'm gonna get shiny here soon. Oh, that for I don't. There's like one little line that just like shoots out. We'll try it real far away. Oh boy, it smells very minty. There's like most of the mist is good, but then there's like one little like jet stream shooting out in the middle of it. Like my face is all wet now. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Smells interesting. Let's see what's next. Tarteist Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette. Open her up. Oh, I have one of these. Interesting. She looks like this. There was options for this. I know that. Let's see what the other option was. I I could have gotten the volume 3 or the Glow Blush and Cheek Palette. And the Glow Blush and Cheek Palette I know I didn't want, so I'm glad I got this one, because the other one had like some really like red shades and pink shades, and I don't wear a lot of red. I don't wear any red blush, and I don't wear a lot of pink blush. I like a very, very orange corally blush. So this one has some pink ones at the top, but they're really light. And then there's some highlighting ones and then bronzy ones on the bottom. Not sure. Ooh, that's... Why is that bronzer so pigmented? Bro, that better blend out. They swatch really pigmentedly too. I don't know how well you can see. Wow. Okay, so like hopefully they blend. That blush is kind of cute. It's a little bit chalky looking. Highlight is not there. Okay, that's fine. We'll just carry on. There's 2 mirrors. That's about it. Let's read about it though, in case you're interested. Meet your new everyday staple. Okay. This 6 Shades Hardest Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3 formulated with Amazonian clay delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. It isn't streaky, I'll give it that. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look. It retails for $45. So it's more than the cost of the, well, it's a little bit, almost the cost of the box. But, I mean, if you like the colors, it'll be good. I'm just concerned that it's going to be too, those bronzers look really dark. And my bronzer today looks a little dark, but in my defense, I don't have one. In my defense, I didn't want to wear blush today, so we just dabbled into some bronzer. I'll probably put a little bit of blush on. We'll see. Next, here's 2 more products. I'm saving my favorite for last, because I already know it's going to be my favorite. I've already used it. Not this one, but I've used it before. Okay, this is Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Oh, it's a primer essence. With Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence infused with Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth, and retails for $23. That seems really low. I'm gonna smell it. I watched Kathleen's video, Kathleen Lights, and she got the regular box and it had this in it. Like, not the BoxyLUXE. And she said this smelled like something she used. And I agree it does. And I also can't think of what it is. That's funny. What is that? I don't know. That's aggravating. Oh, it's nice though. It feels like slightly slippy, but not too slippy. I wish I could tell what that was. I'm gonna have to go through my stuff. Like, what are you? I thought it was expired, but that was a manufacturing date. I was like, what? Okay, next is Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. My favorite thing in this whole box. Makes the whole box, is worth it for the whole box. This is it. I love this stuff. I've used it before. I used it not last night, but the night before. It's so good. Like, I got a sample of it from work. It's so good. It's a serum, a nighttime serum that you can use 2 to 3 times a week max. I know all about it because it's so freaking good. I use it all the time. It's an AHA serum, so it's going to help resurface the skin, but it does have like honey in it to soothe a little bit, like hydrate a little bit. It's definitely not going to be like a regular hydrating serum. But it has the AHAs to kind of do its thing, like, you know, exfoliate. It's a 14% AHA, BHA, and it says flower acids, complex kind of deal. But it literally is wonderful. Like, it's so good. I use this, I try to use it twice a week. Kind of rocky. I try to use it at least once. I use it at least once a week. I do other acids at different points in my week. I have like a schedule that I follow. So I use that usually the night before my retinol. So there's that. It says this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA, BHA, gentle flower acid blend, you'll get a youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. My biggest thing about this is texture. It helps with my texture and it helps with scars. I've been using, I I was using another AHA like nightly serum, the TLC from Junk Elephant, before I ran out. And I have like some really dark scarring over here, and it's lightened it up a lot. Now I just have like the dips from it. It's like not as pigmented there though. Like you could totally see it through my foundation before, and now you can't. You can just see like the indents, and it's really helping. So AHAs are really good for that in general. So yeah, that's my favorite thing in this box. I'm excited to try this too. So like these two, this lip gloss is really nice, and this is probably like my top things right now. Actually, and I'm excited for this one as well. This isn't like a common box. I feel like it touches all its bases. There's often a cleanser, there's often like a lip gloss kind of thing. There's usually something for your hair. So let's add everything up and see how much it is. Let's see here. 45 for the Tarte palette, 23 for the primer essence, 17 for the lip gloss, 85 for the blow dryer, 35 for the cleanser, 58 for the serum, 29 for the hairspray. I say hairspray as in like it's a spray for your hair. 25 for Trestique, the mascara, which I will not use probably. I don't know, we'll see. And the Skin & Co, the mist, is 35. So you're looking at $382 value for a $50 box. Like, come on. It's 7+ times the cost. What are you doing? Why have you not got it yet? BOXYCHARM really killed it this month, to be real. Like, I'm excited for this. Like, I'm just excited for a lot of this. I've really been, like, trying to do my hair, like, actually get my hair's life together. I am on a pretty strict hair washing routine where I only wash it not every day anymore like I used to. I'm not going to tell you how many days I wait because some people have mixed feelings. Some people think you should wash your hair every day, and I'm not about that life anymore. And you can see like my hair is looking really good. It's really healthy. I put masks in it. I'm using like leave-in conditioners and whatnot. Like my hair is thriving right now. And my skin is thriving too. I have one little friend down here. But, you know, hormones, it happens. So we are thriving, and I have to go to work. So thank you all so much for watching. This box was a good box for me. BOXYCHARM's not always good. Not gonna lie, sometimes I'm like, I don't want any of this. Like, it's almost always gonna be brands you know or have heard of at least. Like, hello, Pharmacy's amazing. Living Proof is so well known. Touch of Soul is relatively well known. Dr. Brandt is definitely well known. And Dominique Cosmetics is becoming more well known. Tarte itself is super well known. So like you're getting things that you have heard of, or at least have heard of the brand. And it's super cheap. So that being said, thank you guys, like I said before, so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Okay. Bye.